not making this easy, are you? There you go. Good. It's over there. Thank you. Now, why do you have to pounce? Why do you have to pounce? Tally. Good girl. I think you knocked it off a little bit. I don't know. I'm not looking at it. Good. Yes. 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 Here you go, Pip. Yes. 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 You're a star, Tally. You're a star. Yes. Wow, you knocked a treat flying. I don't know where it went. Yes. Pippin. Pippin. There you go. Yes. Ugh, you stinker, your butt popped up. Not what I'm looking for. Yes. Now she's into the habit of pop-ups, so we're going to have to get that to not be a thing. Can you? Oh, wait. Yes. Come here. There you go. That's not what I'm asking for. I know, so confusing to a little puppy. There you go. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Tally. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Tally, come here. Thank you. Good. Yes. 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 Good girl. There you go. Oh, you almost got fungus. Yes. Good girls. Don't know what the big boys are barking at. Oh, let's work on some other stuff. Yes. 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 Good, Pippin. You're much more patient. Yes. Zeusy boy, it's okay. Yes. Hi, how are you? Yes. 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 Good girl. And a good Pippin. Yes, patient. Alright. Now here's the cute one. Yes. Still need to move it over there. Yes. Good girl. There you go. High five. Yes. Good girl. Alright, her turn's over and Ami wants to come in, so we'll leave it at that for now. Pippin. Good. Tally. Yeah. Alright, good girls.